Your crowning glory is one of the first things people notice about you, which is why it's important to have healthy and glowing hair. Unfortunately, with the use of harsh chemicals, heat styling tools, and environmental stressors, achieving healthy hair can be a challenge. But don't worry. In this video, we'll share the top 10 tips and tricks to achieve healthy hair. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we post more amazing videos like this in the future. And, here we go. Number 10. Brush your hair before you shower. Brushing your hair before you shower is essential for keeping strands strong and healthy. Doing so will help to reduce breakage when hair is vulnerable in the shower, as the wetness can weaken the already fragile strands. Additionally, brushing your dry hair helps distribute natural oils from your scalp to the ends of your hair, providing nourishment and protection. To maximize these benefits, it's ideal to brush with a boar bristle brush or wide-toothed comb that won't pull on delicate follicles. Additionally, when brushing out knots, start at the bottom of strands and slowly work up towards the scalp to avoid yanking or breaking hairs. Furthermore, brushing before you shower will leave your hair smooth and ready for styling once you step out of the shower. Number 9. Condition correctly, and with care. Conditioning your hair correctly is essential for maintaining healthy, hydrated locks. It is best to apply the conditioner first to the mid-shaft and ends of your hair, then work your way up to the scalp. This ensures that both your hair and scalp receive all the necessary nutrients and moisture they need. Leave it on for a full minute before rinsing it out with lukewarm water to lock in all the benefits. If you are someone who uses dry shampoo frequently, it's even more important to condition your hair properly, as overuse can lead to a dry scalp. Number 8. Be mindful of key ingredients. Natural ingredients are some of the best options for hair care, as they are packed with nutrients that nourish your strands. Coconut oil, argan oil, and aloe are all great choices to help strengthen your hair. Spirulina has also been known to help improve the texture and shine of your locks. To get the most out of these natural ingredients, apply them directly to your scalp or mix them with other oils like jojoba or castor for added benefits. These natural products will not only give you healthy, beautiful hair but also leave it feeling soft and smooth. Number 7. Select the correct shampoo and conditioner. When selecting a shampoo and conditioner, make sure to pick one that is specifically designed for your hair type. For example, if you have color-treated hair, look for a shampoo formulated to protect the vibrancy and integrity of the color. If your hair has been damaged or chemically treated, you may want to consider using a 2-in-1 product to give your hair the extra nourishment it needs. While cost often varies among brands, many offer the same benefits, so do not be afraid to experiment with different options until you find one that works best for your hair's needs. Number 6. Eat a balanced diet. Adding essential vitamins to your diet can help improve the health of your hair. Vitamin C and E are especially important, as they work together to boost collagen production. Foods such as fish, meat, eggs, beans, berries, spinach, and avocados are all high in these essential nutrients for healthy hair, so be sure to include them in your meals regularly. Consuming enough protein is also necessary for strong strands. About 90% of a person's hair is composed of proteins like keratin. Eating a diet that is rich with these proteins will help to fortify your locks over time. Additionally, consuming foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids can provide added nourishment for your scalp and follicles. Number 5. Use a scalp scrub or a scalp serum. Regularly exfoliating your scalp can help reduce the buildup of dead skin cells, product residue and other impurities. This in turn promotes better blood circulation to the scalp, which stimulates healthy hair growth. A great way to do this is by using a scalp scrub or serum once a week. Scalp scrubs are designed to physically remove any unwanted particles, while serums contain ingredients that deeply nourish the scalp, providing it with essential vitamins and minerals for healthier hair growth. Applying a hair mask after every wash is also beneficial, as they provide extra hydration and leave your hair looking glossy and healthy. Number 4. Use a hair mask. Hair masks are an essential part of any healthy hair routine. They help nourish and moisturize the hair, while also addressing a variety of hair concerns. Depending on the type of mask you use, ingredients can range from nourishing oils and proteins to conditioning agents and vitamins that help improve the texture and look of your hair. You should apply a mask once a week after shampooing your hair, leaving it in for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Make sure to pick a mask that's tailored to your specific needs, as each hair type requires different types of treatments and ingredients. Number 3. Use hair oil after a shower. After a shower, it's essential to nourish your hair with a few drops of oil. Hair oil helps lock in moisture and provides a layer of protection for your locks. Start by applying the oil to the ends of your hair and work it up toward the roots in a gentle massaging motion. Doing this once or twice a week can help repair any damage, strengthen the cuticles, and give you softer, healthier looking hair. Heat styling can also be damaging to hair, so make sure to use products that have heat protectants before using any hot tools. Number 2. Sleep with oil in your hair. Sleep is essential for healthy hair, so it's important to make sure your locks get the nourishment they need while you're resting. A great way to do this is by adding a generous amount of hair oil to your scalp and hair before heading off to bed each week. Not only will this help condition and protect your strands from damage, but it will also promote a healthy scalp by keeping it moisturized and soft. Besides being beneficial for your hair, applying oil before bedtime can also make styling easier in the morning. It helps reduce frizz, minimizes tangles, and gives you a head start when you're ready to create a new hairstyle. Number 1. Keep away from hot water. The temperature of your shower water can have a huge impact on the health of your hair. For optimal results, it is best to take warm showers rather than steaming hot ones. Hot water can irritate the scalp, potentially causing damage to your hair and weakening it as it grows. To keep hair healthy and hydrated, finish each wash with a cold water rinse. This will help seal in moisture and help prevent breakage. Hair masks are also great for replenishing lost nutrients, while heat protectant products are essential before blow drying or exposing your hair to a high level of heat. A weekly deep conditioning treatment will give you the best results for soft, shiny, and healthy hair. Achieving healthy hair is possible by incorporating these tips and tricks into your hair care routine. It's important to treat your hair with care and nourish it with the right products to achieve glowing and healthy hair. Remember, your hair is your crowning glory, and with proper care, it will shine bright like a diamond. And that's all we have for today. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop us a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.